solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system, and they go all around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Mercury is the first planet. It orbits the sun very fast. Venus is the second planet. It is the first hottest planet. Earth is the third planet. It is the only planet with life. Mars is the fourth planet. It is also known as the red planet. Jupiter is the fifth planet. It is also called the king of planets. Saturn is the sixth planet. It is very beautiful. Uranus is the seventh planet. It is blue and it has rings too. Neptune is the eighth planet. It is named as the blue planet by Meera Navvi.